you should interpret every piece of legislation according to the purpose. That's what we call the purposive interpretation of the law. And I think that the judge was being too literalist and confining herself too much with the letters of the law. The purpose of that whole piece of legislation is to prevent corruption. And so you have to look at all the surrounding circumstances. I'm not going to belabor the point of what Martin said, because I followed him, and I think he made very good exposition of the law with case law supporting it and all that. So I agree entirely with Martin. But you see, when the law is for the purpose of preventing corruption, and the law or the court simply disables itself from pursuing that purpose just by reason of the fact that the office of the special prosecutor did not come within 7 days, it will defeat that purpose. Because I believe strongly, like the examples that Martin gave, that if there are reasons which prevented the special prosecutor to come within 7 days, the court should be able to say that, no, even though the law itself hasn't stated it black and white, that I can expand time, looking at the purpose of this law, I would expand the time and give you the seizure confirmation.
Notwithstanding the mandatory shall.
Notwithstanding the mandatory shall. That's what I'm saying, that you look at all the circumstances of the case and realize that, no, this is a lacuna that the framers of the law did not advert their minds to at all. Right? It is indeed, when we were considering the law, we felt that it should not be used to disturb somebody's enjoyment of his right to property and all that. And that's why we said he shall do that in 7 days. But if there are circumstances, and indeed, we did not go to the next level to say that in the event that he is unable to do it within 7 days, then his right of doing that is completely extinguished. We never said that in the law.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
And I believe that this judicial prudence should dictate that, look, in the circumstance of this case, would it not advance the purpose the more if I give the special prosecutor the liberties with caution that next time do things right? Because the thing is that they are saying they did that over a period of time. At what time are you even going to compute the time? Right? So all these things come in. And you see, I'm veering off the law to now speak about what ordinarily prudent person would do in the circumstances.
Honorable, you are within. That's sociological jurisprudence.
Yes, sociological jurisprudence.
But I know the issue of law, but I'm talking about veering off letters of the law and dealing with it in a
exactly. And we are giving you authority. Please supply him.
In a manner that an ordinary prudent person would do in a circumstance. Look, gentlemen, if we go about the way we are doing things, we would never be able to fight corruption. I am not imputing any ill will or any wrongdoing to the lady. But let's face it, anybody who has genuinely, legitimately acquired some money would even rush to the bank because it is safer there than in their homes. We cannot run away from that. With her learning, with her experience, her exposure, and all that, it immediately sends wrong signals out there that this money may not be legitimate. If we don't fight corruption with practical thinking and we get swayed by legal technicalities, the Office of Special Prosecutor would get frustrated every day and would get nothing out of that institution.
I see.
And I'm underscoring again that I'm not imputing anything wrong with her. But the wrong signals are just too clear, too conspicuous to ignore. We cannot run away from it.